In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made $29.50 in just one day using a brand new money-making app that will pay you a $1.20 for every single ad that you watch for absolutely free. If you just watch 10 ads, you will earn $12, and if you watch 20 ads, you will make about $24, and the list goes on and on. So, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is type the name of this app in search bar, which is surfy.b, and then just click on the first link here, or you can also just go to surfy.b/earn. So, this is the app that we're going to be using to make money online from watching ads without investing any money. As you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is only 3 cents, and you also receive money in just 24 hours. Now, before you go to register and try this yourself, make sure you first watch the full video, as I will be showing you all the details you will need to know, otherwise you're going to make no money. Now, before I show you guys these apps, I first try them myself to make sure they are legit, just like this one here. And don't worry, if you don't have Payeer, they also offer a lot of other payment methods that I'm going to show you in a bit. Now, the good thing is that you can either use this on your computer or download their app to your smartphone. As you can see, it says you can earn money from your PC and laptop and your tablet or your smartphone. The way you make money is very easy. You don't need to have any experience. All you have to do is just register yourself on the website and install their extension. Then, after you do that and have the extension on, it will show banner ads on websites that you visit. Let me real quick even show you an example of how these ads will look like. As for myself, I already have the extension installed. If I go to youtube.com, for example, you will see down here that it's showing me a banner ad from Surfy. Let's do another example. So, if I just go to Google, searching for something, it's showing me again another ad down here. And this is how it works basically. Very simple and straightforward. You're going to have ads that look like this on every website that you visit. The good news is that you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. You will literally get paid for every ad that just popped up. If we scroll down, you can also see how much other people are making here. For example, this person right here just made $24 today. This one just made $31, and the list goes on and on. You can also scroll down more to get yourself more familiar with them. And basically, what you want to do now first is creating your account. So, just scroll to the top of the page and click where it says create an account. Then, just fill out this easy information here, a username, an email, and password, and hit sign up. Once you do that and verify your email, just log into your own account and it's going to take you to this page. Just select this option that says I'm a user, and it's gonna then show this question that says, have you ever worked with similar websites? Select yes, I have experience. And then, just click thank you right here. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see here, I already made $73 this week. I know this is not much money, but it's just to show you that it's legitimate. I would have definitely made more money if I just give it more time, but overall, this is perfect, especially for beginners, as it doesn't require having any skills or anything like that. Now, you can also make money on here by watching videos. It's not going to be our focus for this video, but if you also want to try it, you can just double-click a video and it's going to open in a new tab. Now, all you'll have to do is to just watch this video for 20 seconds and you make money. Just click this icon here and then wait for about 20 seconds until it's done.
A few moments later.
As you can see, after it's done, I have just earned 30 cents. The amount of money you earn will also depend on what country you're from. Now, let's talk about the most important part, which is how to make money by watching ads. But make sure you guys also like the video and let me know what country you are from in the comments. So, the first thing you want to do is go here where it says extension and then install the extension to Google Chrome or one of these other browsers here. Just click on it and it will take us here to Chrome Web Store. As you can see, they already have over 80,000 users and about 1,200 positive reviews. To add the extension, just hit add to Chrome and then click on add extension. As you can see, it says, congratulations, the extension is installed. By the way, Surfy is fairly new. Not many people know about it yet, and you better take advantage of it now before it gets saturated. And after you install the extension, you don't have any more work to do. Now it's going to show you ads on every website you visit on your browser. You can also move the ad up or down by just clicking this icon. If you want to even close the ad, you can just click the X icon here And if you stick with me till the end of the video, I will also give you my own special trick that I used to earn $73 in less than a week, which is not bad since I don't have to do any work. Now, you're not going to make thousands of dollars with this, but even if you don't make that much, it's still free money. The great news is that it works worldwide. And to start withdrawing your money, you can just click on withdraw funds right here. They also have different payment methods like I said. There's also another way to make money with this app or extension. If you just click on the extension icon, you can see that you can also visit websites on here and make money. Just click where it says start right here. Then, all you have to do is just wait a few seconds, about 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and you will get paid for it. Now, they pay much more money for these tasks in people in the US, but if you are not in America, don't worry. I will give you a special trick. What you're gonna need to do is just type in search bar VPN extension and then click on the first result here. This VPN is also completely free. It's going to give you an American IP. All you have to do is install it to your computer and click on add. Once you do that, just select USA from here and click here to turn it on and you are good to go. Another way that I also use to make money on this site is using their affiliate program. Just go to referrals right here and click on links and states and then go to promo banners and it's going to show you your affiliate link right here. As you can see, you will receive 5.25% commission from your affiliates earnings. You can just use Facebook for example to promote your affiliate link there. There is a lot of groups on Facebook that are related to make money online. By the way, if you also have your own website and you want to advertise it here to get visitors, you can also do that here by going to adverts and then go to add adverts. Here where it says banner advert is where you can add your website and get traffic. If you go to their reviews on Chrome Web Store, you can see that most reviews are positive. Here is what other people are saying about it, and you can see for yourself if it's really worth your time or not. Some people even share how much money they have made. And just a fact that this extension got approved for Chrome Store shows you that it's 100% legitimate and doesn't contain malware or anything like that. Otherwise it won't be on Chrome Store. Now, just remember that you always have the extension on your browser so that it shows ads on every website that you visit. And like I said, you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. And if you are using more than one browser in your computer, you can also add the extension to all of them so that you maximize your earnings. If I would have to rate this myself, I would definitely give it at least 8 or 9 out of 10. I also highly recommend that you guys invite more and more people